In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox voice chat without ID on Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is change your language from English to this. The reason is because this language is unsupported, but this will still be on English language. And as you can see here that it is not fully supported by Roblox.com, meaning Roblox with this language is not fully coded. Like there are a few glitches with this, and this is exactly what we need to get Roblox voice chat without ID or if your age is under 13. On your settings, select Help. And once open, search for voice chat. Once here, you have to scroll all the way down and click on Need More Help, Contact Support here. So in here, you'll be needing to fill in this contact information. You need to also fill in these issue details. So once you're done filling in this form, on the description of issue, you need to put this exact message. You can copy this message and type it into your PC. So once you're done, click on Submit. And that's it. That's how to get Roblox voice chat without ID on Roblox. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.